To fix the failed to initialize PlayStation PC SDK error, start by ensuring your system meets the minimum requirements for the SDK, including a compatible operating system, sufficient RAM, and a supported graphics card. Next, check for any updates to the SDK and install the latest version, as updates often resolve known issues and improve compatibility. Then, verify that the SDK is properly installed and configured on your system, checking for any missing or corrupted files. If the issue persists, try resetting the SDK to its default settings, which can resolve configuration-related problems. Additionally, ensure that any necessary dependencies, such as Visual Studio or other development tools, are installed and up to date, as the SDK may rely on these to function correctly. It is also essential to check for any conflicts with other software or services that may be interfering with the SDK, and disable or uninstall them if necessary. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, consider reinstalling the SDK or seeking further assistance from the official PlayStation developer support resources or community forums, where you can find more detailed troubleshooting guides and expert advice. By following these steps and best practices, you should be able to resolve the failed to initialize PlayStation PC SDK error and get back to developing your project.